Hello everyone, welcome once again. Today we are going to start a new chapter of 7th standard, that is transportation in animals and plants. So first of all we will talk about transportation in animals. First of all, I would like to tell you what is transportation. Transportation is basically a process in which the different substances are being transferred from one place to another place. Now, what do we mean by transportation in animals? In most of the animals, the blood that circulates in the body distributes food and oxygen to different cells of the body. Just suppose oxygen we inhale and then it reaches to our lungs. From the lungs, the oxygen mixes up with blood and it is being circulated throughout the body. Similarly, the food we ate will go in the stomach, then intestine, it will be digested in small intestine, and after that it will be sent to the body. So this is what transportation of food and oxygen takes place. It also carries waste products from different parts of the body for excretion. Now, circulatory system consists of heart, blood, vessels. It is consists of heart and blood vessels. In humans, blood flows through arteries and veins. We have two types of blood capillaries, arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries are those capillaries which carry oxygenated blood and veins are those which carry deoxygenated blood through them. And the heart acts as a pumping organ. Human heart acts as a pumping organ. Blood. What is blood? A blood is a fluid which flows in blood vessels. It transports substances like digested food from the small intestine to the other parts of the body. The food that we eat get digested in small intestine, and from small intestine it is being transferred to the different body parts through blood only. Blood consists of plasma, RBC, WBC and platelets. The another name of RBC is erythrocytes. Another name of WBC is leukocytes. And another name of platelets is thrombocytes. These are the scientific name of WBC, RBC and platelets. Now blood consists of RBC, WBC and platelets. RBC are red blood cell which contains hemoglobin. RBC contains hemoglobin in it. WBC act as soldier cells. It protects the body from foreign substances, and platelets help in the clotting of blood. Now, blood is red due to the presence of a red pigment, that is hemoglobin. RBC contains hemoglobin in it which binds with oxygen. Hemoglobin binds with oxygen to form oxyhemoglobin and transport to various parts of the body. Now, if we talk about human heart, it beats 70 to 80 times per minute. In an adult person, this is called heart rate. We can measure our heart rate by comparing the times, how much time the heart is beating in 1 minute, it will be called heart rate. Arteries carry blood from the heart to all parts of the body. From the heart to different body parts, the blood carries by arteries. Arteries carry blood from heart to different body parts. Similarly, the veins carry blood from different body parts to the heart. These are carried through veins, and from the heart to the different body parts, it is carried through arteries. Now, veins carry blood from all parts of the body back to the heart. Removal of waste products from the body is called excretion. Just like ingestion, digestion, excretion is also a process through which the waste product has been removed out of the body. Excretory system of human consists of two kidneys. Human excretory system contains two kidney, that is bean shaped. After that, two ureters, a urinary bladder. Below that, urinary bladder will be located, and below the urinary bladder there is urethra, or we can say urinary opening. These both are kidneys. These are ureters. tube-like structures. They are called ureter, and here it is urethra or urinary opening. These all are the different parts of excretory system of humans. Now salt and urea are removed along with water as sweat. Whenever we feel very hot, we used to sweat during the summers, and with that sweat the salt and urea are removed. So the sweating causes a coolness in our body. Fish excrete waste substances such as ammonia, which directly dissolve in water. Fish, aquatic animals, they excrete ammonia. That is why they are called ammonotelic. They are called ammonotelic. And birds, insects and lizard, they excrete uric acid. That is why they are called uricotelic. They are called uricotelic. Similarly, humans excrete urea. Humans excrete urea, that is why they are called ureotelic. So these are the different excretion forms of different organisms. So we have talked about fish, they are called ammonotelic. Different insects and birds, they are called uricotelic as they secrete uric acid, and humans secrete urea, that is why they are called ureotelic. Now let's talk about transportation in plants. In plants, the transportation takes place through two vascular tissues. The vascular tissues transport food and water through the plants. There are two types of vascular tissue. One is xylem and another one is phloem. These two vascular tissues transport food and water minerals. Xylem transport water and minerals, whereas phloem transports food. These are the two vascular tissues which help in the transportation in plants. Now let's have the look on it. Water and mineral nutrients are absorbed by the roots from the soil. Once the roots absorb the water and nutrients from the soil, then xylem will help it to transport from the roots to the different parts of the body. Nutrients are transported along with the water to the entire plant via the vascular tissues called xylem. Minerals and nutrients, they are transferred from the roots to the different parts of the body through xylem. The vascular tissue for the transport of food. The food is being transported through phloem. Various part of the body of the plant is phloem. A lot of water is lost by plant. Now, one more process takes place in case of plant, that is loss of water by the plants in the form of vapor. This specific process is called transpiration. Transpiration occurs in plants because they lose water through the leaves, and the process is known as transpiration. Transpiration generates a force which pulls up water absorbed by the roots from the soil to reach the stem and leaves. Once the roots absorb water from the soil, here it is soil, roots absorb water from the soil. After that, this transpiration creates a pull in stem and branches. It creates a pull in stem and branches. Due to transpiration pull, the water is being transferred from the roots to the different parts of the body. So transpiration generates a force which pulls up water absorbed by the roots from the soil to reach the stem and leaves. Similarly, the food is being prepared in leaves, and from the leaves the food is transferred to the different parts of the plant through phloem. So that is all about this chapter. I hope you liked the video. For more details, stay connected to my channel. Thank you and have a good day to all of you.